Okay guys, day 6 of the Indomitus week. This is the final day and basically a reflection day where I'm going to talk about basically how I think it went, the results that I achieved. I'm going to go back and show you some proper high-res images of kind of all the different units that I painted up and how it went and what ones I think look good and which ones I think definitely need more work, stuff like that. I'll flip it around really quick just to show you where we are currently at, even though I know I kind of showed you this in yesterday's video. Necrons completed, including the Plasma Scythe dude and the Lord with the Axe. Their bases are all finished up now, so that side in my head is finished entirely. Super happy with them, delighted, done. Flesh Tears, base coated and washed, base is done, looking swish. Managed to, in yesterday's video, if you didn't see it, get one of the Blade Guard veterans to 100% just to get myself a feeling of what it was going to look like. Super happy with that. All in all, it was quite the project to do. Yeah, it was a lot of work. I basically started each day at 7 o'clock in the morning, got up, went for a run, got myself sorted and sat down to my desk for about 8 o'clock in the morning, and I worked pretty much 12 hours straight, usually most days, to get it done. Obviously there's a lot more work involved in when I do something than when you guys do it. So for instance, if you guys decide to pick up a challenge like this, you only have to worry about sitting down and painting up your miniatures, which is super cool. I'm a little bit jealous about that. I think about videos and all the different angles I need to record from and editing and all that kind of stuff. So when my day ends, if I finish painting at 5, 6 o'clock, I know I still have 2 hours of work ahead of me pulling this video together to get it released a couple hours after that. So yeah, and it's the first time I've ever put out so many videos in a single week. So at this stage, there will be 8 videos this week. There will be 6 videos for this Indomitus campaign. There will be a podcast episode, and then there will be an extra special episode tomorrow as well, later in the day, that I'm excited to bring you guys. So yeah. Quite a lot of work, but yeah, what can I say? The results of the Indomitus week as a channel side of things have been super positive. The amount of, I'd say I've gained maybe 1,000 subscribers this week, a little bit less than 800 subscribers this week from just the Leviathan or the Indomitus week. Why did I say Leviathan? Anyway, yeah, I think people are definitely enjoying this format. It's obviously a lot more time intensive than my normal videos, but I understand that my normal videos don't appeal to everybody. Even fans of my channel, I understand that. Like, if you don't do Tau and I do a video on how to paint Tau, you're not going to watch it. I don't expect people to watch my videos that don't have anything relating to them. So my videos will always kind of fall behind a little bit on more of an entertainment style video like these are. But I do now see the value in these and see that they are achievable for me to do something like this, and I definitely think I'll be doing them more in the future. Whether it's a full week-long challenge, I don't know, but I definitely think I can fit 1 or 2 of these kind of vlog style videos in a month, if not 1 a week, because I think they're a lot of fun to do. They, like I said, you guys seem to enjoy the behind the scenes a little bit more, and yeah, I kind of enjoy bringing you behind the scenes, likes and lots of nice comments, lots of likes on every video, lots of views. I think I'm averaging, I think last time I looked it was like 240,000 views a month is what I'm currently averaging, which is pretty good for me. It's the highest it's ever been. So long may that continue. So let me flip you around again, and we're going to talk once again about the Mr. Indomitus box set. I am glad that it is now complete. It obviously took quite a lot of effort out of me. I think I'm probably close to 100 hours of work this week so far to get it to this standard. And yeah, it's kind of a weight off my shoulders. It means that, you know, there's a bit of a breathing period before, from this box being done to when I have to start the next box. Oh, okay. There is no reprieve between ending one box and starting the next. Leviathan is here. It is in full swing. As you can see, I focused on getting Indomitus done instead of doing a lot with this so far. The only things I have built are the Terminators, which are beyond beautiful, and the crazy tyrannic war veteran lieutenant, which won't focus at all. So yes, Leviathan is here, and of course I'm going to tackle this for you guys on the videos and on the channel. In fact, if you pay attention, one of the Terminators, if it'll focus on it, there you go. One of the Terminators is already built and sprayed because I'm going to be working on him pretty much for the rest of the day. And this will be the second video that I bring out for you guys today. So if you watch this early morning Saturday video, later on in the day I'm going to release a video painting up one of these Terminators in Flesh Tear's color schemes and talk through a little bit about what I think the redesign of them looks like. So yes, Leviathan is here and I will be doing a lot of content around it. I'm sure many of you already guessed that I had Leviathan in my hands already. Obviously I'm a little bit more careful than other people not to have it in the background of shots. Throwing a bit of shade at you there, Emo. But yeah, it's here. I'm very much looking forward to getting it stuck in there. Of course, the reinforcements I referred to when I was talking about my Flesh Tears, I am going to do the Leviathan half as Flesh Tear as well. So this army will begin its life as the Indomitus Space Marines and the Leviathan Space Marines are mixed together, which I think will be a pretty cool looking force to look at, and I'm super excited to get stuck into that. Obviously when I do box sets like this, people often, things get left out. So for instance, I'm going to do a video now showing you how to paint a single Terminator. That'll be later on today. How a singular Terminator, which means I have 4 of them left unpainted. And that has been the case of a bunch of things. Like when I do kill team videos, sometimes I manage to get the whole kill team done. Other times I manage to get one done to show you how it looks and how to get it painted. And the other 9 get left behind and they just get added to the pile. And I'm trying my best not to let that happen. So I think it was Mr. Tim's Hobby over on my Twitch who made a very good idea, which was like, I should make as many content videos as I can out of the box set normally. So I'll show you guys how to paint the Terminators, I'll show you how to paint a Pyrocast, show you how to paint some of the Tyranid monsters. Like I'll do my due diligence and get the 4, 5, 6 videos showing you guys how to get things painted. But then after that, with everything that's left over, I might do another one of these little challenges. I'm like finishing off my Leviathan box set, and I'll do kind of 3 or 4 days of blasting through and getting the rest of that done. I really like that idea. It was really cool and it stuck with me ever since he said it. So I think that's what I will plan on doing in this one. Of course, I wish I could send everybody out like a form to fill out to let me know kind of all the pros and cons of this week. I would like some detailed feedback. So if you guys are willing to spend a little bit of time just letting me know what you thought in the comments. I might not be able to reply to all of them perfectly. I can't write a paragraph reply to every single person, so I might just give you a thanks for writing the message, but don't worry, I have read all of the messages and I have taken notes and stuff like that. So please do take the time, because I would love to know how you think that I can improve this moving forward. Something that has had such a big effect on the channel definitely deserves more attention and more work. Today is also Saturday the 3rd, which means the Mediocre Hobbies website is now live. It is the very, very beginnings of this. It is something that will grow organically as I get more time to put into it. We are going to be adding all the battle report campaign content. I want to be focused a lot over there. I want there to be almost like blogs for each army describing the battles they've been in, the characters, all that stuff is coming soon. Right now, all it basically is links to all of my different products that I use. Plus links to all of my socials, plus the first bit of merch that I've ever put out. So there's going to be some t-shirts, hoodies, hats, coasters, and a few other bits and pieces that will be, that I've never really done merch before, which is kind of crazy. I still don't think anybody wants to wear my merch, my logo on them. It's kind of a bizarre, but people have been requesting it, which I find, that's a real big imposter syndrome situation for me. I don't get it, but if you guys want it, there's links below to the website where you can check it out and order yourself up some merch. And yeah, it would be appreciated if you checked it out. If you guys enjoyed my series as a whole in full, please give it a like. If you've enjoyed the whole journey and you're not already subscribed, what's going on here? Hit the subscribe button. If you like my content and want more of it, my Patreons and channel members get an extra video every single week. 52 extra videos a year for supporting me. They get posted on Discord. So yes, they have access to those. And yeah, I just want to say a huge thank you for everyone for the support this week. I hope you're going to enjoy this. So the videos I'm going to bring out for the Leviathan box set and all future videos as well. Remember, catch me pretty much 5-6 days a week over on YouTube. I stream on Twitch twice a week, Tuesday and Thursday, 8 to 10 p.m. Irish time. Would love to have you all come over there and hang out and get some hobby done. Thanks for being awesome. Thanks for sticking around for the week, and I guess I'll see you in a couple of hours for my next video. But other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot, guys.